Welcome back, y'all. I hope you guys are ready for some serious cleaning motivation. We have a new speed clean with me for you today. I am so excited to get this video out to you. I hope that it gives you all of the motivation that you may be needing to get stuff done around your home. I am going to try to get as much done as possible before having to leave the house to go get my kiddos from school. So we are going to start in the kitchen. We got to get these dishes taken care of, get the dishwasher all loaded up, and we are going to hand wash the things that do not go in the dishwasher. How are you guys doing today? Where are you watching from? What time are you watching? Let me know in the comments down below.
I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just
Completely jumped the gun with getting the dishes started, getting them washed, and getting ready to load into the dishwasher because I had forgotten to unload the dishwasher. So we are gonna unload the dishwasher, then load it back up. I swear my brain has not been working properly lately. I am so scatterbrained. Just trying to get my youngest to actually want to go to school and do well with drop-off has been so stressful. I swear it has completely drained all of my brain cells and all of my energy. We had a very rough first couple of weeks, and fingers crossed, I feel like we're starting to round the corner here and be on the up and up. It was very, very stressful. I felt very bad, and as a mother, you never want your child to be super upset, especially when you are going to be leaving them. So it's been a stressful little bit, but I think we're doing okay now. I think we're, like I said, I think we're rounding the corner here. So we are going to continue these dishes. The dishwasher is loaded, and then we are going to get to cleaning up the kitchen. There aren't any like deep cleaning messes that needed to be taken care of today, just general cleaning, which is nice. I've actually been able to keep my house clean for longer than like 5 minutes with the kids being in school, which is so weird for me. The whole having the kids at school all day thing has just been super weird too. My husband works from home, so we are both working from home right now, and just having no kids around during the day is bizarre. It's very strange. Gonna do a little bleach in the sink, get it disinfected, get it cleaned up, get the stains out of it, because my dear husband likes to empty his refillable K-cup things in the sink and leave the coffee grounds in there. I love you, husband, but stop doing that. I'm gonna wipe the counters down now, get these cleaned up because there are crumbs everywhere. I hadn't cleaned it up from the morning, from making lunches and all that stuff, and I'm just using some Clorox free and clear cleaner just to wipe everything down and get this crumbs off of here.
Dreaming of love soon. Are you still in your shadow? tell you what, I've opened up my eyes and seen the truth, so you can blame it on my youth. Courage, no one seems to care that I lost it. You're the only one that's gonna tell me to go back again, give it one more chance. Blame it, one day I will see what it cost me. You're the only one that always trusted me, and that's all I need, my remedy. Hey, hey, draw your arrow back. I just want you to fire me into the sky of all the never cracks. Are you dreaming of love soon? Or are you still in your shadow? I know I didn't see the good between us, yeah. I tell you what, I've opened up my eyes and seen. I've opened up my eyes and seen the truth. What have I to lose? I tell you what, I've opened up my eyes and seen the truth. Why don't you blame it on my youth? Are you dreaming of love soon? Or are you still in your shadow? Are you dreaming of love soon? Or are you?
I've got my little guy on my lap joining me now, my little dog. So if you hear any noises, it's him. He's a little old man. He doesn't really know what's going on in life anymore. But we are going to clean up the living room area. I'm going to bring the clothes upstairs, pick up all around the living room, straighten up the couch, and reorganize the blankets and the pillows and all of that stuff on here before we get to vacuuming the living room. The house desperately needs to be vacuumed. There's crumbs everywhere and just, dirt and stuff. We've had a few rainy days, so we are going to get all of this cleaned up.
Maybe you can't see that I'm hard to hold. I know I'm a basket case you think should be alone, but I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep 'cause of you, but I still have my friends, don't want you. You're a nightmare, reminding me of who I am. I feel scared sometimes. Why'd you leave me be? I know I'm a mess, but I don't need you to tell me. I can't change the things that happen. I know my head's not right. I wish that I could be somebody that's good enough for you, but I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep 'cause of you, but I still have my friends, don't want you. Forget about what you think you know about me now. Yeah, I don't care how you feel, it doesn't matter to me. I'm not the same as I was when it was you and I. It doesn't matter now. Oh, it doesn't matter now. Oh, it doesn't matter now. But I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, so you. But I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep 'cause of you, but I still have my friends, don't want you. But I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep 'cause of you, but I still been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering.
If you are in the market for a new vacuum, I highly recommend this one. I will link it down below in my description box. It is by Shark. I absolutely love it. It is great for carpet, it is great for the rugs, and it has been really great for hardwood floors as well.
Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
It's good to see you, that's bullshit. You don't like me and we both know that. Can we just pretend we're grown-ups for a minute? You said you're sorry, but talk is cheap. You got away with it too easily. Can we just pretend we're grown-ups for a minute? You've been a mean girl since 95. That's your way of getting by. Well, you should get a taste of your own medicine. And I'll eat your heart out. Your ex-man is with me now. You've been talking shit behind my back just to feel good about yourself. But he's with me now. We're kissing
I hope that today's video has brought you a ton of cleaning motivation. Thank you all so much for being here, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing day. Don't forget to stick around and subscribe for more cleaning motivation here on my channel. Come say hi in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. Have a great day, and thank you again for watching. I will catch you guys in the next cleaning adventure.